All right.
That's it. Here we go again.
This right here is a 25, 30-year-old hive according to the residents. And they remove. This is all comb right here that has honey on it. Let me run and grab my brush real quick. Seal right there.
What kind of honey can you tell?
I'm just trying to keep them. I want to say Italian. They're not happy about this smoke. I wouldn't be neither, would you?
No.
We're gonna do our best to treat these little guys. After 15 minutes, cut that video off.
Okay.
We'll do 15-minute increment.
Wow, that thing is massive.
Well, it goes over here.
Really don't know how far it goes, right?
Not really.
You've got to find the queen in this mess.
We'll find it here in a minute. They're not trying to sting either. Let's see the effects of the smoke has on them. Take this off. We don't need this.
The homeowner's been gassing them with gasoline. See all the dead bees. Gosh, I hate that. Look at the honey dripping.
Right there is nothing but. Looks like they're double capping the honey,
Oh, wow.
which means they're. They're not trying to sting at all. But it's a very, very old hive. See how dark that comb is?
Yep.
Oh, that's capped honey right there. That's stuff they haven't had to eat. Because they've had it made right here inside this house. Well, I'm throwing comb and all into the bucket until I get the
The homeowner had taped the holes in the wall because honey was running out. So we know that's probably 3 foot at least. Hopefully not bigger.
hopefully they just extend to this one. This is fresh comb. I mean, they just threw it recently.
Wow. Oh, the wall's holding that one up. Must be attached to it right there. Wow.
Can you grab that brush and clean this off?
Yes.
I need them off.
Where's the brush?
Right there on the window. Just flip them off again. You're not gonna hurt them. Hurt them over there.
Okay. They're on the back bottom side too.
Push it sticky.
Wow.
All this wax can be of use a later
Look
date.
at all the bees in the window. Where's their entrance hole?
Way outside.
Outside. So this thing could be worse than this. Oh gosh.
Could be. So we're gonna get this as quick as we can. I'm doing a cutout because my height, this is height to I personally make now.
Better smoke them. I had one dive bomb me over here.
That never hurt. Now, I'm going to attempt this again. I am cutting this out, and girls can like it or leave it.
One got you already?
Yep, there's one. Already got me right there on my left ring finger on the tip of my finger.
She know when he said $4,000, she know she was gonna get some piece of shit.
Yeah, I thought it was like a good little deal.
And I wouldn't have
I told
built
him
that.
though, I said, I don't know what they
I wouldn't have built it on the 20.
Trying to kill as little bees as we can because their life is precious. Without them, people won't eat.
Very important.
That's honeycomb. Not much honey in that, just a little bit right there. Nothing really. Just putting all of it as I can. Very good. Oh, comb, sorry. Smoker's getting me. Bad when smoker gets smoked. When I start getting to the brood chamber, which is
See any eggs?
you got your light?
Oh, it's on the tailgate.
Oh, you should.
There's just layers and layers of honeycomb.
Number 15 minutes cut the video.
Okay.
Um,
Is that cat brood right there?
oh, this is cat brood. They seem to be very calm right now. Same.
We're right at 10 minutes. You want to cut it and do another one when you get further into it?
Yeah, let me cut this right here.
Okay. Try to get a little closer. I'm allergic to bees. I have a really good suit, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to get stung, so I just try to stay backed off just a little bit. Because when you do a cutout, these boogers are mad.
Believe it or
They're
not,
home.
me, she's going in King.
But they're going to a really good home and will be taken care of properly in a correct hive. You want me to cut it off?
Mhm.